Clouds by Anne Rockwell, illustrated by Fernay Lessick. Look up at the sky. Do you see white and gray shapes moving across it? Those are clouds. Most clouds are too far away to feel. You could only look at them. But there's one kind of cloud you could feel standing on the ground. That is fog. It's the lowest kind of cloud. You could learn a lot from looking at the clouds. The shape of clouds and whether they are dark or bright can tell you how high they are and what kind of weather they will bring. All clouds are made of water and particles of dust too small to see. The highest clouds are 6 to 9 kilometers up in the sky. That is 3 to 4 miles high. It's so cold up there that all the water in those clouds freezes and becomes tiny crystals of ice. There are 3 kinds of clouds high up in the atmosphere: cirrus clouds, cirrostratus clouds, and cirrocumulus clouds. The beginning of a cloud's name tells how high up it is. The next part tells what shape it is. Cirrus clouds are hardly there. They look like wispy white feathers trailing across blue sky. They mean sunny weather with no rain. They are far apart and let the sun shine on the earth. Cirrostratus clouds can cover the whole sky. They tell us that it may rain or snow in 12 to 24 hours. Stratus means clouds that are flat and spread out like a blanket. Small, puffy white clouds scattered across the entire sky are cirrocumulus clouds. Cumulus means that a cloud is rounded instead of flat. Cirrocumulus clouds can mean it's going to get colder. Clouds in the middle layer of Earth's atmosphere are 2 to 6 kilometers, about 1 to 4 miles away. There are 2 kinds, altostratus and altocumulus clouds. Many altostratus and altocumulus clouds are part water and part ice. Only some of the water freezes in these middle clouds because the atmosphere closer to Earth is warmer. Altostratus clouds are gray-blue and streaky and cover the sky. They tell you it could rain that night or the next day. Altocumulus clouds look like ocean waves, puffy, white, and gray. If you see them on hot, humid days, a thunderstorm will probably come. Low clouds are only about 3.2 kilometers, 2 miles above Earth. They are called cumulus, stratus, stratocumulus, nimbostratus, and cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulus clouds look like white bluffs of cotton. They may pile up high like mountains in the sky. They are most often seen on bright, sunny days. Stratus clouds are gray and cover the whole sky. They usually mean rain, but not much. Stratocumulus clouds are gray and look like a row of fuzzy lumps hanging low in the sky. Rain doesn't fall from these clouds. Nimbostratus and cumulonimbus clouds both tell you there will be very wet and even stormy weather. Nimbo, or nimbus in a cloud's name, means it is a storm cloud. Nimbostratus clouds are dark gray and ragged looking at the bottom. Rain or snow falls steadily from them. The scariest clouds are cumulonimbus clouds. If you are standing under them, they will look dark gray instead of white. Sometimes they look almost black. They seem to swell as they climb higher and higher into the sky. If you see cumulonimbus clouds in the sky, you should run inside as fast as you can. They mean a thunderstorm is coming, and thunderstorms can be dangerous. Sometimes balls of ice called hail fall from cumulonimbus clouds. Sometimes dangerous funnel-shaped tunnels of wind called tornadoes grow out of them. If there were no clouds, Earth would be a very different place. Clouds are important to everything that lives and grows here. They bring the rain all plants and animals need. If there were no clouds, there would be no rain. Nothing could live. If there were no clouds to hide the sun, Earth would become very hot during the day and very cold during the night. The temperature change would be too much for most plants and animals to live and grow. Sometimes you see more than one kind of cloud in different parts of the sky at the same time. That's because the wind is blowing away some of the clouds and bringing in new ones. This means the weather will change. Now that you know which clouds bring rain or snow, which bring storms, and which bring sunny weather, you could tell in advance what the change will be. That's what scientists called meteorologists do. More than half of the Earth is covered with clouds, even though you may not see any where you live. But somewhere else on Earth, someone else is looking at clouds in the sky above.